Many of you guys will know obviously the Husqvarna Nuda 900R, but I bet you that maybe one or two of you would know that in 2012 a company called Zupen made 30 Nudas, and they called it the Nuda 900RR, and they made it as an enduro bike. And a sub from Germany very nicely offered that to show it to me while he's in England, and there she is. This is number, let me see, it's written here 17 out of 30, which is what we believe has been made. Looks aggressive, huh? Very nice, love it. I actually wanted to buy one, but I just couldn't find them. And then Emil there, he said they've got two, so I said if you want to sell them out, give me a first shot at one of them. I wonder how it rides an enduro. It actually, Touratech did one, and they entered the Erzberg Rodeo, and they came second in their class. But it's done properly. It's not done with cheap stuff. I mean, you can look, very nice conversion. So Nuda 900R meets the 900RR. I would have called it the Nuda 900RW. W for wicked. Beautiful.